welcome back to October. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? Can you guess which Disney villain we are bounding as today? I dressed Anna up this week, and whatever day we actually went to Disneyland, I dressed her as the evil queen. And it's really hard picking villains for people you love because you don't want them to think that they remind you of that villain. But all the villains are kind of mean, and that's the fun part of October, is we got to do villains, which I normally would not do, because as I've told you guys before, October says do villains, but my heart says do princesses, because I love the princesses. I love all the characters. The villains I kind of stay away from because I'm like, you guys are scary and mean. Even at the park, I don't like to talk to them, but we were forced to have to dress up like them because it's October, and I wouldn't want to leave you guys hanging for October. So I did the evil queen, and actually this is my favorite shirt that I made. It's so cute, and I want it. And the ears are cute, and everything is cute, and the purse is cute, so let's just get going on this tutorial. All right, let's go. Alrighty guys, for the shirt, I think I love this SVG, my favoritist. Okay, so it's 3 different colors. It's black, gold, and red, or whatever colors you choose to make it out of. No hate, no hate. You can do it out of anything you want. But I did the lips in red, the crown in gold, and the rest of the pieces all in black. All available on shopantitay.com if you guys want some cool places to get some iron-on and all that good stuff. Okay, so I found this purple shirt, I don't remember where, at Ross, and then I just heated it up, and then I used our same technique we do with every single HTV that we put on, and I'm just going to lay it out on the shirt to see exactly where I want it. And then this one, you kind of want to make sure it's laid out perfectly because you don't want her head looking like scrunched. You know, it's kind of like when you pull a Barbie's head off and it's just never the same. Like if the neck is too short, it just throws the whole look off. So that was very random, but make sure that it's all lined up. Now you notice I cut that little plastic off of the red lips because I can do these at the same time because I put the red under the black and we're good to go. You'll notice that little gold guy was sticking out. Yeah, I needed to go in and iron him on when we got to Disneyland because I didn't realize I missed it. But here's a perk. When you're in a hotel, they have irons. So I literally fixed this shirt in the hotel. But for your sake, don't miss a spot. Go over it really well. Okay, so I'm going to keep that protected with the plastic before I pull it off, and I'm going to go over and put the resting witch face on there. And then that way her lips get another good pressurized pressure. And then, yeah, we're going to pull this plastic off. Again, with our Caesar HTV at shopantitay.com, it sticks on really good, but the plastic's a little bit harder to pull off, but it's because it sticks on really good. Okay, for her hat, I went with something super simple. I just went with sequins, and a little red apple. The apple is actually available through Cricut Access. It was just an apple that I found, and I used some black sequins, and this sequence was really pretty, so I had to use it. And then I believe I used it on Maleficent's bow as well. And then I used this purple sequence. All of it I got at Joann's. Joann's is my favorite place to get fabric because it just has the best selection I found. I do like Hobby Lobby, but it never has all those good sequins and all that good stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna use these old ears. They're not old, they're just cheap little ears that I bought like 200 of so that I can do Mickey ears whenever I want. And yes, I really did, but actually I bought them for an event, okay? Don't judge me. Okay, so again, here I am using my Cricut scissors because I shot this before all of these series. Do not use your good scissors on sequins, guys. By the end of this series, my Cricut scissors were shot. So, use your dollar store scissors on your sequins and let me make the mistakes for you. Don't use your good scissors on them. Okay, so I'm going to do both sides and I'm just going to cut, and I'm cringing as I'm watching myself ruin my scissors, but I'm going to cut the edges. They are going to be raw edges for a little bit until we finish them off with some cute trimming. You can use a lot of different things for trimming, but I'm going to use this really adorable what are these called? Sequins on a strip. I think I got these at Joann's as well. And I'm just going to stick these. They're already pre-sticky. And I'm just going to stick them around the edge. But I am going to give them a little hot glue on the end so that they don't come off. Just in case, you know. But it's pretty sticky. And as long as you're not doing anything crazy with your Mickey ears, I think that it would stay. But just reinforce it a little bit with some hot glue. It'll make your life feel a little bit more safe and secure. Okay. Now those are done, we're going to hot glue them onto our hat using the notch. I got this hat as well at Walmart. The corduroy hats are originally $8, but this one was on clearance for $2. I was so excited. Okay, so I'm going to do my no-sew bow exactly kind of the same way I've been doing them in all the videos, just cutting a big square and hemming the edges and then folding them in. And again, every video has been a little bit different. This one I'm just going to dab in the center and then kind of give a little dab on the edges and secure those in. Sometimes it just kind of depends on the fabric you're using as well. I like this sequins to be nice and poofy at the ends, so I don't really fold those corners in. I don't know. I'm making this up. I just do it however I feel like. I'm going to use the purple that I used on the ears, just a strip of it to tie in the center. I really love this technique because it's super fast and super easy, and then I can hide those little guys behind the ears, or I can cut them off and put a dab of hot glue back there to keep it kind of secure. And it's just really fast and easy way to do it. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna put it onto our hat using the little notch in the front on the top, which I'm still unsure of what it is or why it's there. Now that I've been doing so many of these tutorials, I'm kind of confused why we have a little bloopy thing on the top of our hats. Why is that? Let me know in the comments if you guys know, seriously. Okay, then I'm gonna tack these onto the ears and keep those upright. And then I'm gonna iron on the little apple, which I don't know if I filmed. Nope, I didn't. And then I'm gonna pair it with this cute little purse that I got at Ross, I believe. It's just a little red purse, and I have some leftover leaves from all my floral flowers that I always buy, and I'm just gonna hot glue that. And you don't have to hot glue it if you want to reuse this purse, and just figure out a cute place to put this. You can like put a little string through it and just tie it on if you want, but I thought this was really cute. And then realistically, guys, I think I want to turn this purse into a fanny pack because I'm obsessed with fanny packs right now. I might pull these leaves off of it and make a cute red fanny pack later on. And that's Evil Queen.